Hey, good morning and welcome. This is Gilly Cube. I'm on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland on a gorgeous, gorgeous summer day. So this was actually a large canvas that I'm repainting over. I've had it probably up in a bedroom for about 2.5 years, and I just decided, nah, don't like it. I'm going to see if I can just paint over it. I mean, I would have just took it down and not reused it, so I just thought, why not see if I can make something out of the canvas. So that's exactly what I'm doing. That base coat that you seen me put down was the green deep or moss green, and then that was actually white with a little bit of the moss green in. So I'm going to sort of keep to the same tones with the exception of that metallic gold, and see what we can get out of this one, and see if I can create something that I really do like on this canvas to go back up on my bedroom wall again. Oh no, I'm not liking that against the green deep. It's just not on. So I'm going to do... Oh dear. You have to do this sometimes if you're just not happy with it, and I didn't think those colours looked nice together. I suppose I could have tried and recovered the green deep and kept those other lovely colours, but I'm all for changing anything you're not happy with. Changing, scraping, redoing. It's your canvas doesn't need to be thrown away. You can reuse and recycle. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just smooching in all these lovely colours, and I'll try again. So I'll try the puddle pours with basically the same colours, but not using the green deep. I don't think I will use that. So it's literally using Viridian green this time with the metallic gold and the very pale pepperminty green, and what I'm adding there is the purple. So you probably think, oh my gosh, but this one turned out, the colour combo turned out absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy with the colour combo. You can just see already with those little bit of blows how much that colour combo is. That's just singing to me. So it looks a bit blobby at the minute, but bear with me because I'll definitely make a, what do they call it? Making a sow's ear out of a pig's purse, or making a silk purse out of a sow's ear. Something like that. Somebody tell me what the saying is, but I'm going to make this one gorgeous. Oh my goodness, as if that one hadn't got enough going on. I have now add a few of the, what do you call that thing now? I can't think of the name. Oh, I'm hopeless. But yeah, I'm going to add that comb effect in there to, I don't know, just because I can really. About this piece, I really only like that top corner with the gorgeous viridian gold and purple in it. So even though it was a large canvas, I did plug on, but now it's dried, I didn't really like, or it just was too much going on in it for me. So I've kept it, but I thought, oh no. It was really good to try the different techniques, and certainly that colour combo I will be doing now in the next piece I do, so or in a few weeks maybe. But love the colour combo, but think I went overboard. And when I come to try and do the photo app, which will come up now, look at the colour the photo app changed. I couldn't get it back to that original colour, so that is not the true colour of this particular one. But I tried to change it on the photo app and I couldn't get the colour to change. But yeah, I kind of went overboard and added more of all sorts in it. It's like I said, it's dried, it's standing there in my art room, but I wasn't real happy about it. But what I am going to do is take some close-up pictures of the bits that I do like and probably use them for prints. So it was a wild ride. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye for now.